Welcome back to Dimitri's Garage. Today we're doing another wax review and we're going to be testing ceramic liquid wax from Adams Polishes. Now this is a relatively new product on the Adams lineup. It is ceramic infused liquid wax that you can apply like any normal paste wax. They say it's going to be very durable, hydrophobic, and that ceramic infusion is supposed to make it better than the traditional paste waxes that they have. Now this wax says that it can be applied by hand or with machine on ceramic coated or non-ceramic coated vehicles. It says it's easy to use. Let's test this thing out and see how it performs in our benchmarks. The directions on this product really couldn't be simpler. You're applying a quarter-size drop to an applicator pad, you're applying it to the surface, and then you're waiting a couple of minutes and you're buffing it off. It's just as easy as pretty much every other paste wax you've ever used. So we take our applicator pad and we apply a quarter-sized amount. We're gonna go over here and we're gonna start adding little marks. And that's it. Now we're going to let it haze. So it's as simple as that for the application. Now, I will say it was a little tacky to apply. All right, guys, it's been a couple of minutes. It looks haze to me. Let's go ahead and remove it. Now, it's been a minute since I've done a video. I just came back from Paris. So because I've been out, it's kind of thrown me off my video track. I had a really great trip out there, though. So far, the removal seems incredibly easy. Done. So for ease of application, it's definitely getting 1 point. It's a pass. It was very easy to use. Maybe not quite as easy as some of the other pastes, but it came off super, super easy. Now while this panel cures, let's go over to the gloss meter station to a panel that has cured already and see how it's going to perform in a gloss test. Before we get started, I did want to mention that this Adams product comes out to about $37.33 a pint. The biggest bottle on Amazon is a 12 ounce. This is an 8 ounce. Now let's turn on our gloss meter. Clear the calibration, give it a second, make sure it holds 104. Let's go ahead and test a couple of different spots and we'll use our calculator over here. So we got about 89.4 up there. Let's move over here. 89.5. Let's move to the middle. 90.1, not bad. 90.4 even. Let's try the corner over here. 89.9, and then let's move somewhere over here. 89.6. So if we divide by 5, that's going to be 89.8. So it loses 0.2 points for reducing the overall gloss of the panel. Not bad. That's pretty decent. A lot of products actually severely reduce the gloss. So the panel's been cured and we've got the Adams side and then we've got the regular side. Let's take a look and see if there's any visual difference as we pan the camera around. The Adams side does maybe look deeper, but honestly, I'm not seeing a huge difference. So I think there is some extra clarity on the Adams side, but overall, I think the effect is actually pretty mild. I'm trying to go handheld and see if I could really show you any difference in clarity. I think I have to say it's kind of a fail. It just doesn't seem to really do much. I'm gonna give the slickness a shot. Yeah. I mean, it's definitely slicker, but it's not even that slick. I think I have to give the slickness a fail too. So it's gonna get 0 points for slickness and 0 points for visual quality. But we'll see. Maybe it'll be super durable and we'll be very happy with that. So the very first thing we're gonna do is check the water beading. Now we're going to start washing the product until it wears off and no longer beads, and then we're going to see how many washes that is. So 2 washes, not a big change from the first one. Let's keep going until we get failure. So guys, we're going to wrap up the video for the Adams Ceramic Liquid Wax. Overall, this wax did very well on the durability, and I think that it was very easy to use. As far as the slickness, it was very marginal, and visually, it added a little depth, but it really didn't do very much for me compared to other products. Keep in mind, this is a relatively expensive wax, and it comes in a small bottle, so while you might look at the cost of the bottle and go, yeah, you know, that seems okay, this is 8 ounces, not 16. If I were able to get this product on sale, I think it could be worth it. It is easy to apply, the durability was pretty good. But overall, if I was going to pay full retail, this isn't what I would buy with my money. There are products that are just as easy to use, that give you a prettier finish, and last even longer. If you want to find out what those products are and how waxes in general compare, you should check out the link in the video description that takes you to the full results of all the tests that I've done so far. And of course, as usual, if you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I really like the comments too. So guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you again real soon.